What's the meaning of CFL? CFL. CFL.
CFL. CFL. CFL stands for context-free language, which is a type of formal language in computer science that can be generated by a context-free grammar. Context-free languages are used to describe the syntax of programming languages and are often represented using parse trees or Chomsky normal form. One important result related to CFLs is the pumping lemma, which states that any context-free language of sufficient length can be broken down into parts that can be repeated or pumped. This result is useful in proving that certain languages are not context-free.